Bulaga! Hi! Magandang gabi! Oras na naman ng ating Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. So, let's start with this photo. Jackfruit, langka. 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 That's not true. Hindi totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan. At we have the word Dedma. 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 Or being ignored. So, let's say someone ignored you. You're with someone and you wanna say, did he just ignore me? Or did she just ignore me? Dedma lang. Dedma lang. Or you probably wanna say, she just ignored me. Or he just ignored me. Dedma. Dedma. At just in case you wanna say, just ignore him or just ignore her. Dedmahin mo na lang siya. Dedmahin mo na lang siya. Dedmahin mo na lang siya. I want to call you. Gusto kitang tawagan. Gusto kitang tawagan. I wanna see you. Gusto kitang makita. Gusto kitang makita. I want to talk to you. Gusto kitang kausapin. Kausapin. Gusto kitang kausapin. And we have this fruit. Anong prutas to? Papaya. Papaya. Ripe papaya. Hinog na papaya. Hinog na papaya. Rude. Bastos. Bastos. At if you wanna say don't be rude, huwag kang bastos. Huwag kang bastos. Langgam. 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 Last word for our pronunciation video, vacant, bakante, 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 bakante.